Today I'm making a chicken pasta casserole. Start by bringing about 4 quarts of water to a boil and cooking about 12 ounces of egg noodles according to the directions on the package. After the noodles have cooked, just drain and set aside for now. And in a large pot, just add 1/4 cup of butter and about 1 tablespoon of oil, and that can be olive oil, vegetable oil, whatever you have on hand. And then you're going to add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of diced onions to that and just saute that for 5 to 7 minutes. After the onions are very soft and fully cooked, then you can go ahead and add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of garlic. And you can either mince your own or buy the kind that's already minced in a jar, which is what I did. That works just fine. And then after you cook that for about a minute, then you add in 1/4 cup of flour, and you're going to let that cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. You want to stir that constantly at this time and add in your salt and pepper. Continue stirring that until it's all well incorporated. And then you're going to add in 2 cups of chicken broth. After you add in the chicken broth, then you're just going to continue cooking that for another couple of minutes. And then you're going to add in 3 cups of milk. And I prefer whole milk, but you use whatever you prefer. After you've added the milk, you can go ahead and turn your heat up to medium-high, and you're going to bring this to a boil. Let that continue boiling while you're adding these other ingredients, and that's going to be your chicken that's already cooked. Make sure it's already fully cooked. It can be rotisserie chicken or just leftover chicken that you have. And then you're going to add 1 cup of frozen peas. Make sure it's frozen peas, not canned peas. And incorporate that well. And then you're going to add in 2 cups of cheddar cheese. After you get the cheddar cheese added in, you can stir that for just a few seconds and then turn your heat off. And at this point, there's enough residual heat to melt the cheese. And now that that's done, you can add in the noodles that you've already cooked and drained and just gently stir that around till you get that all incorporated well. And you're going to add this entire pot to a baking dish. Just spread that evenly. And at this point, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, this is optional, but if you would like a topping, you can just do what I did. I made mixed some crackers with some Parmesan cheese and some melted butter or oil, whatever you would prefer to use. Just mix that all together and then sprinkle that over the casserole. And then put that in the oven and bake it for 15 minutes, just enough until the cracker topping browns. Then you'll take that out of the oven, let it cool, and it's ready to serve. Like I said, the topping is completely optional, or you may prefer to use breadcrumbs, like panko crumbs, or whatever you have on hand. Just make it your own. And just bake this for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Let it cool, and it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. As always, thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.